Welcome back to the Monthly Market Minute, where we take a minute to talk about the Montreal real estate market, its stats and trends. So let's get into it. Here we are in cool December, and we are talking about the cool November real estate market. Now understand these stats do come with a pinch of salt and asterisks, as it were, because as we're seeing a big shift in numbers on the monthly Montreal island, what I'm seeing per neighborhood or per micro market, surprisingly, like Beaconsfield as an example, there is no change really from this time last year to today, and same with Point Claire as an example. Even with condos, prices are up. But let's take a look at Montreal as an island as a whole. So what we're seeing for November 2022 sales at 291 were down by 29%. And surprisingly, active listings overall were up 88% at 2,013 active listings for the month of November. And your median price at $685,000 is actually a 10% decrease. So what does this all mean? Well, for sellers, definitely you have to be very conscious of your market. So what's happening in Beaconsfield isn't happening in Pierrefonds, as an example, or in Vaudreuil. And what's happening for single family homes isn't happening for condos either. So you really have to take a specific look at your neighborhood and at your home and see how it compares to what's going on. Now for buyers, really, where are all these buyers that we're looking for? Well, what they're looking for is stability in interest rates. We've just had another interest rate increase just recently this week, and the feeling I get from buyers is that as soon as there's some consistency on what's going on with interest rates, they'll be more confident getting into the real estate market, and you'll see everything fire back up again. Now the good news is that this last interest rate increase, this was promised, whatever that's worth, as the last one for this year and into 2023. So I get the feeling that the Bank of Canada is really starting to slow down on their interest rate, appetite for interest rate increases. So that's good news. Buyers will get their stability, their consistency. They'll get back into the market, and sellers, you got to be patient in the meantime. Of course, if you have any questions about this subject, feel free to comment in the video, and I'll be happy to get in touch.